Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. We have finished our classes from lesson 1 to lesson 9, and today we are starting a new lesson, that is the lesson on comprehension. So, dear children, now we are going to learn what is comprehension through this example that is given in your book, page number 80. Okay, so in the comprehension, what usually we do is we read the text or we read the content or read the poem. Then after that we try to answer the questions. If there are questions, we will answer the questions. Basically, we comprehend meaning we think, we read, then we understand, then we answer the questions. So in a comprehension, you will be given a text or a paragraph or a poem, and you have to read the poem, read the paragraph, understand it, and then there will be some questions which you will have to answer. So let us begin this then. There is a poem here in your book. You can open your book at page 80. All right, and here is a poem. Before we go to the question, I am a little airplane. Okay, I am a little airplane. You can see here here is the here is the airplane. We usually call it airplane or aeroplane. It is the same. All right, so here is I am a little airplane, the poem. We will read this poem and I will make you understand. We will understand it together. Then we will answer the questions below. Okay, let's begin. I am a little airplane. I am a little airplane. Now watch me fly. First, I get revved up, then I can fly, lifting off the runway up into the sky. Once again. I am a little airplane, now watch me fly. First I get revved up, then I can fly, lifting off the runway up into the sky. Okay, let us now understand it properly, then it will be easy for us to answer the questions. I am a little airplane. So this is about airplane or aeroplane. So aeroplane is saying, I am a little airplane. Now watch me fly. Okay, so here is the aeroplane. All right, here is the aeroplane or airplane, and here you can see the buildings. Buildings meaning this is the airport. Okay, here here you can see in this corner an aeroplane is getting ready to fly, and this is the runway. Okay, this is the runway. All right, now let us come to the poem once again. I am a little airplane. Airplane is saying I am a little airplane. I am small airplane. Now watch me fly. Now aeroplane is telling to whom? Telling to you, telling to us. Now watch me fly. Okay, airplane is saying now you watch me fly. First I revved up. Okay, first I revved up. Now what is the meaning of rev up? Rev up is getting ready to do something big. Getting ready to do something big. Getting launched. Like, okay, so revved up means to get ready. Okay, first I get revved up. First I get ready. Then I can fly. So when I get ready first, then only I can fly. Okay, then I can fly. Here small place you can see in this corner. Look at the picture of the airport here in this corner. This aeroplane is getting ready to fly. Okay, first I get revved up, then I can fly. Lifting off the runway. Okay, lifting off the runway, from the runway. Here you can see the runway I told you earlier. Okay, here is the runway, from the runway. Okay, so lifting off the runway, from the runway I lift up, I jerk and take off, fly, lifting off the runway up into the sky. Okay, up into the sky. So this is about the little airplane. Airplane is talking to us. Okay, So this is how, little children, you will have to read the poem or read the text, whatever is given to you. Then read it, understand it, comprehend it. Then you can answer the questions. Okay. Look at the questions here. Question number A. Circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. Who is I in the poem? Okay. Who is I in the poem? Now, by now, you should be able to understand who is I in the poem. A. Airplane. B. Sky. Who is telling I am a little airplane? Now, airplane is, here I is airplane. Okay. So, the correct answer is airplane. Number 2. Can the little airplane fly? Okay. Number 2 question is, can the little airplane fly? Okay. Now, answer is yes or no. Which answer you will give? Yes. Airplane can fly. Here it is written, then I can fly. So, can the little airplane fly? Yes. Little airplane can fly. Good. So, this is how you will give the answer. Number B. Okay. Number B. Circle the naming words in the poem. Okay. Circle the naming words in the poem. I had taught you earlier what is a naming word. Naming word is a word which naming word is a word which is the name of a person, place, animal, bird, or a thing. Now find out in this poem which are the nouns. Okay. Now to answer the answer number B, circle the naming words in the poem. I will do a few for you, and the rest you will have to do. Okay. Now, which are the naming words or which are the nouns here in the poem? I am a little airplane. Now watch me fly. First I get revved up, then I can fly, lifting off the runway up into the sky. Okay. So here there are some nouns which you will have to circle. All right. So let me do it one for you. Here I am a little airplane. Airplane is the noun or naming word. Like that, there are other nouns which you will have to circle here in the book itself. Okay. Fly. First I get wrapped up, then I can fly, lifting up the runway up into the sky. So question number B is circle the naming words in the poem. So circle the naming words. One naming word I have circled, and the others you will have to do. Okay. Next, number C. Although this number C question is not in your book, however I have put it here so for your learning. Okay. Underline the verbs or doing words in the poem. I have again taught you what is a verb. Verb is a doing word. Okay, verb is a doing word. Underline the verbs. Now here in this poem, which are the verbs? I will do one for you, and the rest you will do. Okay. Number C question. Underline the verbs or doing words in the poem. I am a little airplane here, which is the verb. Now watch me fly. First I get revved up, then I can fly, lifting off the runway up into the sky. Okay. There are verbs here. One I am circling. Revved up. This is a verb. Okay. Sorry, we'll have to underline. 1 minute. All right. So we will underline the doing words. Revved up. Revved up. So revved up is the doing word or verb. Now there are others here. Now watch me fly here. Now watch me fly. Here there is a verb. Here there are two verbs. First I get revved up. There are two verbs. One I have underlined. Then I can fly. Here there is one verb. Okay, you will have to find out which is the one. Lifting off the runway. Here there is one verb. You'll have to find out. Up into the sky. Okay. So this way, little children, you can do the comprehension, read the text or poem that is given, and then answer the questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.